Hello friends, welcome to Artdemy. Today we are going to make gold foil semi-abstract painting. Let's start. So here I have taken a canvas and we are going to use only four colors: black, Prussian blue, white and cobalt. We will also need pointed tipped brushes, which is 0 and 000 number. Let's make grey color by mixing black, blue and white in it, and the upper part and the lower part of the board will be painted with this color, and in center there will be white. Friends, when I started this painting, I drew one tree as I was thinking to make something new today. So don't worry, after doing the background color, I will tell you how to make the tree in very easy and simple steps directly with the help of brush and black color. In this way, with the help of white and grey color, we have completed our background. Now after this, we'll start making the tree. First we will make the trunk of the tree, so follow the steps. For making very thin lines, you will have to take 000 brush or any brush which is very pointed or very thin, so the lines will come out very beautifully. Now we are making the leaves of the tree. So friends, you have to take the brush like this, and without a single drop of water, only color you will take in the brush, and this kind of effect you have to give for making the leaves of the tree. Friends, I am using Fevicol All Fix and gilding gold foil for pasting these gold foils on the tree. Now for making the leaves golden, I am just applying small amount of glue on the leaves of the tree like this. Now underneath the tree you will use this glue in this way in the lines. You can see the picture above how it is going to come. In the same way you will apply the glue underneath the tree. Now this gold foil is here and I am going to put it on the glue which I have applied. So very slowly, these gold foils are very delicate, so very slowly you have to keep it on the glue which is there on the board, and with the help of paper or any cloth we will press it. After applying the gold foil, you will have to keep it at least for 10 to 15 minutes for drying. Now I am going to take out this extra gold foil with the help of a brush with a very soft bristles. The brush should be cleaned and dry. You can keep this gold foil in some container which you can use later. See, all the extra gold foil is not there on the board now. Only wherever there is a glue, the gold foil is there. And see how beautiful the painting is looking. You can hang it on the wall and decorate your walls with these kind of paintings. So friends, if you want to watch many such more videos, visit my channel and like and share. Thanks for watching.